Lesson 2. The metric measures. In the previous class, we have learnt the following about the metric measures. All metric measures have a number and the unit of measure. Metric measures are measured in units of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Let us solve the following exercise to recall the previous learning. The metric measures. In the previous class, we have learnt about the metric measures. We learnt that meter, gram and liter are standard units of length, mass and capacity respectively. There are other units of metric measures also to measure smaller and larger lengths, masses and capacities. There is a definite relationship among the various units of metric measures. Different prefixes are put to the standard units of metric measures. The most commonly used prefixes are deca, hecto and kilo for higher units, and deci, centi and milli for lower units. Look at the place value chart given below to understand the relationship among various units of metric measures. We can observe that various units of metric measures are related to basic unit by multiples of 10. We can show the different measures by the place value chart as under. Converting metric measures. It is very easy to convert one unit of measures into different units. Rules for conversion. Rule 1. To convert a higher unit into a lower unit, we multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Accordingly, as we move 1, 2, 3 places towards right from higher unit in the conversion tables. Thus, 8 kiloliter is equal to 8 times 10 hectoliter is equal to 80 hectoliter is equal to 8 times 100 decaliter is equal to 800 decaliter is equal to 8 times 1000 L is equal to 8000 liters is equal to 8 times 10,000 DL is equal to 80,000 DL and so on. Rule 2. To convert a lower unit into a higher unit, we divide by 10, 100, 1000. Accordingly, as we move 1, 2, 3 places towards left from lower unit in the conversion table. Thus, 9000 G is equal to 9000 divided by 10 decagram is equal to 900 decagram is equal to 9000 divided by 100 hectogram is equal to 90 hectogram is equal to 9000 divided by 1000 kg is equal to 9 kilograms and so on. How to use decimal in conversion of units? We know that to multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, we move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the right respectively. Example 1. 8.572 times 10 is equal to 85.72. 8.572 times 100 equals 857.2. 8.572 times 1000 equals 8572, etc. etc. We also know that to divide a number by 10, 100, 1000, we move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to the left respectively. Example 2. 38.5 divided by 10 is equal to 3.85. 38.5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.385. 38.5 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.0385, etc. Thus, one unit of measure can be converted into the other unit by merely shifting the decimal point according to the following rules. Rule 1. To convert a higher unit into a lower unit, we move the decimal point to the right by as many places as there are steps in going from the higher to lower unit in the following table. Thus, 3.9765 kilograms is equal to 39.765 Hg is equal to 3.9765 times 10 Hg is equal to 397.65 dag is equal to 3.9765 times 100 dag is equal to 3976.5 G is equal to 3.9765 times 1000 G is equal to 39,765 dg is equal to 3.9765 times 10,000 dg is equal to 3,97,650 cg is equal to 3.9765 times 100,000 cg is equal to 39,76,500 milligrams is equal to 3.9765 times 10 lakh mg. Rule 2. To convert a lower unit to a higher unit, we move the decimal point to the left by as many places as there are steps in going from the lower to higher unit in the table. Thus, 9081 millimeters is equals to 908.1 centimeters, 9081 divided by 10 centimeters, 90.81 decimeter is equals to 9081 divided by 100 decimeter is equals to 9.081 m is equals to 9081 divided by 1000 m is equals to 0.9081 decameter is equals to 9081 divided by 10,000 decameter is equals to 0.09081 hectometer is equals to 9081 divided by 1 lakh hectometer is equals to 0.009081 kilometer. 9081 divided by 10 lakh kilometer. Example 1. Convert A 85 centimeter into meter, B 8 meter 5 centimeter into meter, C 46.348 hectometer into meter, D 6 decameter 3 centimeters 5 millimeters into meter. Solution: A 85 centimeters is equals to 85 upon 100 meter is equals to 0.85 meter. B 8 meter 5 centimeter is equal to 8 meter plus 5 centimeter is equals to 8 meter plus meter is equals to 8 meters plus 0.05 meters is equal to 8.05 meter. C 46.348 hm is equal to 46.348 times 100 m is equal to 4634.8 m. D 6 decameter 3 centimeters 5 millimeters is equal to 6 decameter plus 3 centimeters plus 5 millimeters is equal to 6 times 10 meter plus meter plus meter is equal to 60 meter plus 0.03 meter plus 0.005 meter is equal to 60.035 meter. Operations on metric measures. Addition and subtraction of metric measures. In order to add or subtract measures given in different units, we convert each of the given measures into the biggest given unit and then add or subtract the measures as we do in case of decimals. Example 1. Add the following by converting into decimals. A. 6 kilometers 7 hectometer 4 decameter 9 meters and 3 kilometers 6 hectometer 5 decameter 3 meters. B. 3 kilometers 105 meters 14 kilometers 815 meters and 3 kilometers 71 meters. C. 5 meters 25 centimeters 3 meters 17 centimeters and 36 centimeters. Solution: A. 6 kilometers 7 hectometer 4 decameter 9 meters equals 6.749 kilometers. 3 kilometers 6 hectometer 5 decameter 3 meters equals 3.653 kilometers. Now, adding column wise, we have 6.749 kilometers plus 3.653 kilometers is equals to 10.402. Therefore, required sum is equal to 10.402 kilometers equals 10 kilometers 4 hectometer to meter. B. Converting the given measures in terms of kilometer using decimal notation, we have 3 kilometers 105 meters plus 14 kilometers 815 meters plus 3 kilometers 71 meters is equal to 3.105 kilometers plus 14.815 kilometers plus 3.071 kilometers. Now, add by arranging in columns as follows. Therefore, required sum is equal to 20.991 kilometers equals 20 kilometers 991 meters. C. Converting the given measures in terms of meter using decimal notation, we have 5 meter 25 centimeters equals 5.25 meters, 3 meters 17 centimeters equals 3.17 meters, 36 centimeters is equal to 0.36 meter. Now, add by arranging in columns as follows. Therefore, required sum is equal to 8.78 meters equals 8 meters 78 centimeters. Remember, there are other units for measuring mass like ounce, pound, etc. Multiplication and division of metric measures. In this section, we shall learn multiplication and division of metric measures by making use of the decimal notation. Look at the following examples. Example 1. Multiply 20.0754 hectogram by 77 and write the product in grams. Solution: 20.0754 hectogram is equal to 2007.54 grams. Therefore, 20.07564 hectogram times 77 is equal to 1,54,580.58 grams. Solution: